This is the National Radio Local News in English, broadcasting every weekday at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the frequencies of AM radio 918 kHz and FM One Phnom Radio 105.70 MHz in Phnom Penh, capital city of the Kingdom of Cambodia. First, here are the new headlines.
Cambodian Premier asks European Union for vaccine support and not to ban vaccine exports. សម្ដេចតេជោ Hun Sen, this year, Cambodia expects to get 4% economic growth, but most jointly prevent COVID-19 in the community. And Minister of Public Works and Indian Ambassador agree to boost bilateral cooperation in the field of civil service.
សម្ដេចអគ្គមហាសេនាបតីតេជោ Hun Sen, Prime Minister of Cambodia, on Monday asked the European Union to assist vaccines to Cambodia and not to prohibit the vaccines exports from Europe to other countries. The Cambodian Premier hoped that the European Union ambassador will convey a message of Cambodia's request for vaccine support to the European Union. The royal government of Cambodia will prepare 20 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines for 10 million Cambodians for free of charge. As of Monday this week, Cambodia has confirmed to receive 11 million doses donated by the kingdom's development partners. China announced to donate 1 million doses, World Health Organization 7 million doses, and Australia granted $28 million to Cambodia for COVID-19 vaccine support.
សម្ដេចអគ្គមហាសេនាបតីតេជោ Hun Sen, Prime Minister of Cambodia, said that in 2021, the Cambodian economy will recover at a rate of 4%, but all must be involved in preventing the spread of COVID-19. These remarks were made when សម្ដេចតេជោ Hun Sen presided over the groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the Bak Kaeng water treatment plant and the inauguration ceremony of the Chamkamon water treatment plant on the morning of February 1st, 2021. សម្ដេចតេជោ Hun Sen said that according to the assessment, Cambodia's economy in 2020 is expected to decline by only -1.9%, but the latest assessment of the royal government is down to -3.1%. សម្ដេចតេជោ Hun Sen also said that the customs and tax revenue in January 2021 amounted to more than $400 million. The royal government of Cambodia and international institutions are eyeing the economic recovery of Cambodia in 2021. The Asian Development Bank, ADB, has forecast that Cambodia's gross domestic product, GDP, will decline by 4% by 2020, but the bank claims that economic growth will recover to 5.9% in 2021 due to the impetus of the royal government support policy to help the poor and financial support for small and medium enterprises. The World Bank has forecast that Cambodia's economy shrunk by 2% in 2020, but is expected to recover and grow by 4% in 2021.
On January 29, 2021, Her Excellency Mrs. Deviyani Khobragade, the new ambassador of the Republic of India to the Kingdom of Cambodia, paid a courtesy call on His Excellency Promsukha, Minister of Public Works at the ministry. During the meeting, the minister and ambassador praised the long-standing friendship and cooperation between the people and governments of Cambodia and India since 1952, especially in the early 1980s after Cambodia leaving the genocidal regime in 1979. During the meeting, the Minister of Public Works and the Ambassador of India agreed to deepen bilateral cooperation in the field of civil service in addition to the existing operational relations through Indian economic and technical cooperation training programs, which include projects related to the field of public functions, especially cooperation between the Ministry of Public Works of Cambodia and the Ministry of Personnel Management, Appeals and Pensions, institutional capacity building, and practical cooperation programs between the Royal School of Administration and the National Center of Good Governance on the training of civil servants, etc. At the same time, the ambassador also proposed another tripartite cooperation option between Cambodia, India, and Singapore by examining the possibility of arranging the training for Cambodian civil servants at the Cambodia-Singapore Cooperation Center in Phnom Penh. The Minister of Public Works and the Ambassador of India have pledged to turn the above consensus into practical cooperation activities in the future in order to contribute to further strengthening the bilateral cooperation between the government and people of both Cambodia and India.
This is the National Radio Local News in English, broadcasting every weekday at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the frequency of AM Radio 918 kHz and FM Wat Phnom Radio 105.70 MHz in Phnom Penh, capital city of the Kingdom of Cambodia. Our English transmission now comes to a close, and please stay tuned our French transmission in the next program. And thank you for your listening, and goodbye.